What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. Today's Worm Wednesday. Happy New Year. Checking out the Vermihut Plus. Got a couple worms kind of hanging out on the side. See a piece of avocado shell. The other day, I remember when I put the food in, I used the hand that didn't have the glove. So I wiped off with a paper towel, and that's all that's left of the paper towel. And then I trimmed some of my peace lily and threw some leaves right on top. So that's what that is. We'll go ahead and quick hop into the feeding area, see if there's any food left, and then go ahead and get these guys fed up for the new year. Oh, I see my popsicle stick. That avocado shell had a piece of the pumpkin stem in it. There we go. Nice little worm ball. Now, I don't know what this is. Oh, now I do. It's the coffee filter that I put in. But it looks like there may be a, almost like a netting material. So it'll be worthwhile to see if that goes ahead and actually composts and breaks down, or if I'll have this little netting that I'll have to kind of fish out of here. Yep, look, there's another one. Wow. Huh. Well, at least the worms did good and ate around it. Tomato skin. I'll just pull all the items I'm going to stick back into the feeding area out. Let's go ahead and just see how the rest of the bin's looking. Okay. I do have more bedding, but I don't want to add it because I think in the next feeding or two, this is going to switch down and become the pre-harvest tray. So I will leave that alone for right now, but I'll add all this material back into the feeding zone. Let's see this avocado shell. Yeah, look at that. It's just breaking right apart now. Nice. Nice feeding for these guys again. Got some pumpkin and some pulp. On top of this feeding, I do have coffee grounds that we're getting from the K-Cups, so I'll sprinkle some of that in. And then top this feeding with a little grit. I have pulverized azomite powder. And then I like to add some ground up eggshells. We go through a bunch of eggs, so it's a good way to use it, not actually throw the eggshells out. I end up microwaving them for about 1 minute and 30 seconds for eggshells. Once I get enough, I end up grinding them either with a coffee grinder, my Magic Bullet blender, or if I have a bunch, I'll use actually a large blender. This is good for the worms. It gives them their grit. As they take small bites of the bedding and the food scraps, they have little bites of this azomite powder and the ground up eggshell, and then as they wiggle around, it helps them to digest their food. Now just to cover this up. Beautiful. I'm very happy with this. I'm not going to show it right now. I'm actually going to go down below and water the lowest tray, which is the one that we just put in last week, and see. There may be some worms under there, I don't know, but I'll check that out. And my camera's right here, so if I see anything cool, I will quick turn it back on. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.